Hi, Bridget here from Finding Coherence, and today I would like to do a hand mudra that will help with panic attacks, anxiety, and fear, especially the fear of going on camera. And nowadays, especially being on this YouTube 1000 challenge, they want you to post every day. Everything now is no longer post, it's videos. So this might help a few people. And of course, breath is the change all, the catalyst that will help you transition your energy from fear and anxiety to calm and peace. So what I like to do is take your left hand and spread it out. Take your right hand, put your index finger in between your pinky and your ring finger, and then take the other three fingers, middle ring and little finger, and wrap it around the ring finger of your left hand. And then take your thumb and bring it down the side of the hand. So it's like this. And there's no wrong way to do this. It's a hand mudra. Everybody's hands differently. One day it might feel really easy to do this. Some days it might be painful to do this. It all depends what's happening in your body. So this is a real quick tip, again, for panic attacks, anxiety, and you don't have to be on camera or show it on camera. You can just very quickly just put it below your the camera line and just breathe and set the intention that this will be an amazing video to send off to everybody who would like to change their life. And intention is very important. It makes you focus on what you want to change. So again, left hand out, index finger in, bring the other three fingers, wrap them around your ring finger, and then bring your thumb down the side of your palm. So good luck. Comment below if you can, subscribe, and like. Thank you. Namaste.